2020 was a weirdly challenging year for most of us. For me, it felt like the days were long and the nights were longer, forcing me to reflect and be more self-aware and shut out the world for a bit. 2021, here we go. I am doing things differently. I am being more intentional about my well-being and having fun while
How to
at
keep
it.
healthy spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally. Did I say spiritually? Yeah, and all that. Physically, I said physical, right?
It's about an all-round fun, healthy lifestyle. I am Molline Dove, a creative on a journey to a healthy lifestyle. I kick off with a 7-day series on manageable pieces of enlightenment and fun-loving wellness. Well then, I invite you to like, share and subscribe to learning, laughing, loving and living a healthy lifestyle.